let us discuss the preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol. So from alcohol, we can prepare alkyl halides not only from alcohol but also from hydrocarbons of alkanes and alkenes and halogen exchange and silver salt of acid. These are the four methods can be prepared of alkyl halides. So first we are going to see the preparation of alkyl halides from alcohol. So there are four types of preparation of alkyl halides. First, preparation from alcohol. From halogen acids. So alcohol is added with the halogen acid of HX. So H2O is released means you will get a RX. So this is called as a alkyl halogen preparation. So for example, chloroalkane we will prepare for a bromoalkane, chloroalkane, fluoroalkane, iodoalkane, everything will having the naming reactions. So be thorough the names. So chloroalkane preparation is called Groves process. Groves process we can prepare a chloroalkane by using Lucas reagent. In 1 mark, they will ask you what is Lucas reagent in MCQs. The mixture of concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride is called as a Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent to be used in primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. So when you see that primary, secondary, tertiary will undergo at room temperature and secondary also will undergo room temperature. But these two, when you see, no need to heat only at room temperature, but tertiary alcohol will immediately will answer and secondary alcohol will take 5 to 10 minutes and primary alcohol will not answer at all at room temperature. So only on heating will get a reaction. So what are the priority should goes to tertiary is the first, secondary second, primary is the third one. So in order to that we can prepare a chloroalkanes. So here let us see this tertiary alcohol first, a CH3CCOH which is HCl in presence of zinc chloride. So it loses water and it presents a tertiary alkyl chloride immediately occurs at a room temperature. And secondary alcohol, it takes 5 to 10 minutes at a room temperature. So it loses H2O and CHCl. Halogens are very easily replace the OH group. So just remove OH and add a halogen. And here no reaction at room temperature, only on heating will get a methyl chloride. So this process is called Groves. The reason for using the zinc chloride is absorbing water very easily. Anhydrous zinc chloride helps in the cleavage of CO bond. So this COH bond will be easily cleavage by using the zinc chloride because zinc chloride is a Lewis acid readily coordinate with the oxygen atoms of the alcohol. So CO bond is weakens and finally break into carbocation of C plus. So immediately if it forms C plus, halogen is a more electronegative, so it attacks the C plus and chloroalkane will form easily. So tertiary alcohol is very reactive. Therefore, even in the absence of zinc chloride, it undergoes at a room temperature because here it is a tertiary alcohol priority greater than secondary, greater than primary. So first priority to goes to tertiary alcohol, immediately you are getting. So here in this carbon, that functional group attached to the carbon is called alpha carbon. So this alpha carbon is attached with the 3 methyl group. That all the 3 methyl or a greater number of electron donating group. This is electron donating, electron donating, electron donating. It electron donating group to this. So it acquires minus. This acquires already it is minus. So what the minus minus get easily get a repulsion. So immediately the cleavage will be takes place and this plus will attack by the chlorine easily. So what tertiary is greater number of electron donating group of methyl group on alpha carbon of alcohol is more polarity. So the cleavage of CO bond does very easily it takes place and reactivity also will be increases in a quite easy manner even in the absence of zinc chloride. Then bromoalkanes. It is a CH3, CH2OH with HBr, hydrobromic acid, H2O is loses and concentrated sulfuric acid, even this concentrated sulfuric acid also dehydrating agent. So it loses water, it forms a CH3CH2Br. Then iodoalkane, CH3CH2OH with HI. With a refluxing means boiling. So when you boil it, loses water, it getting a CH3, CH2I with a H2. So fluoroalkanes cannot be prepared. We can prepare chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, chloroalkane, bromoalkane and iodoalkane. We cannot prepare a fluoroalkane because it is a less reactive of hydrogen halides, because the order of the reactivity of halogen acids is HI is greater than HBr is greater than HCl. Very, very less of HF. So because of very least reactive. But in terms of alcohol, tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. So this is the best thing of learning the reactivity of hydro haloacids and the alcohols. Next, by the action of phosphorus halides. In phosphorus halides, whether phosphorus pentachloride or phosphorus trichloride, if you use, you will get an alkyl halides. So here ROH I have taken only one ROH. This PCl5 will be split up into Cl, Cl, PCl3. So totally PCl5. Now break the bond between oxygen this side, we write Cl this side, and near hydrogen 1 Cl, oxygen takes PCl3. So we'll get a product RCl and HCl, and center one is POCl3 is called a phosphoryl chloride. So we got RCl, POCl3, phosphoryl chloride, and the last one is HCl. Next with the trichloride, phosphorus trichloride. This is pentavalency, this is a trivalency. So in a trivalency, in a pentavalency, we got a hydrochloric acid is a strong acid. In a trivalency, we will get a weak acid of phosphorus acid. So I have written a mechanism 3 ROH to be taken to replace this 3 chlorine. So ROH, ROH, ROH. PCl3 I have written Cl, Cl, Cl. So each alkyl group will take 1 chlorine. So RCl, 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 3 RCl. Left out H3, P, O3. So H3PO3 is called as a phosphorus acid. Then chloroalkane, I already told you, just remove the OH, you just substitute the chlorine. So CH3, CH2, OH, in same manner you apply these two mechanisms for a pentahalogen and trihalogen, whatever the type of alcohols, but easiest method substitute the CH2, here substitute the here CH2Cl should come, CH3, CH2Cl, and here it is CH3, CH2Cl. Just replace the OH with the halogen. If you use pentavalency, you will get a strong acid of hydrochloric acid. If you use trivalency, you will get a phosphorus acid. Bromoalkane. So here CH3, CH2OH with the phosphorus tribromide. As it is, you write down, instead of chlorine, you write bromine and get a phosphorus acid here. Then action of thionyl chloride is a very, very important reaction to produce chloroalkanes, because chloroalkane is a very good yield, you will get it in this in a pure state. So ROH is reacted with the thionyl chloride, SOCl2. Pyridine we are using, pyridine means C6H5N is called pyridine. So that pyridine is a base catalyst. In 1 mark, they will ask you what type of catalyst you are using. The pyridine, you can say pyridine, but what type it is, a base type catalyst. So thionyl chloride. So thionyl break the bond here between oxygen. Here 1 chlorine, that side 1 chlorine, center SO. So CH3, CH2Cl, SO plus O, SO2 and HCl. So we got CH3, CH2Cl, SO2 and HCl. So HCl is a gas and SO2 also is a gas. So easily they will escape and we will get left out the alkyl chloride. So ethyl chloride example, in a pure state we will get a ethyl chloride. So note bin I have given, this method is preferred than the other methods because both the products of the reaction, that's SO2 and HCl, are gases, so can easily escape, so that leaving behind the alkyl halide. So chloro compounds can be purified very easily in this manner. So very easily you can get a chloro compounds in a good manner. So it is called as a very best method to prepare a chloroalkanes or alkyl chlorides. Thanks for watching.